We go to other news now. There was tragedy in St. Mary last night after two persons died in separate attacks. Another two persons are left battling for their lives in hospital. We have more in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
Investigators back on a scene early Thursday morning in Jeffreytown in St. Mary. They are trying to put together the pieces in a series of deadly attacks that took place hours before on Wednesday evening. Reports are that Romeo Henry, in an unprovoked attack, cut the throats of three persons. All were his family members. A 2-year-old, Michaela Cox, died from the injuries. Her 5-year-old sister and a 65-year-old man are in hospital in critical condition. Henry, the alleged attacker, was in turn killed by angry residents. Now this man is the father of the 2-year-old who was killed. He explained that the tough times caused by COVID-19 in Kingston forced him to seek out a new life for himself and his family in St. Mary.
So that's why I decided to take them out of town. That we can come farm, is what I say, produce things. Because we are farmer team, is a boat a builder and boat a farmer. One now go on, we move to the other. You see it. So I have my parish now, I come back to come rely upon and do my thing, help my father and thing. And at that end me make me last my daughter.
Family members insist they saw no signs of an imminent attack, as there were no prior disagreements. In fact, far from it, as they say a fun game of bingo was in full flow moments before.
Yet youth are humble youth, but some possession, I don't know what they do to him, demonity, them do something to him. Like they want him dead. So then do it to make sure I say indoor and can do crazy thing that they can't get dead. I mean, see no more, that's how I can look through. I don't see nothing more than that. That they when go to school together, such a good nice youth. Him like a man like a me whenever blow up on people. Not too much as that. We go one way. No man can't come with argument to draw away out. So that was a big surprise.
Situation up you know, it's dangerous, COVID situation. But at the same time, the young boy will be dangerous fellow, you know. So I just make me start to feel one way because the man in quiet, you know, humbly, you know, get trouble. So we don't know how that this happened.
It has since emerged that Henry, who is alleged to have carried out the first attack, recently lost his job as a chef due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Head of the St. Mary Police, Bobette Morgan Simpson, says residents and relatives reported that the 39-year-old chef started behaving strangely shortly after he was laid off.
The community, however, did not take any action, and they're saying that he is a member of the community. They're all like family, and they didn't quite understand what was going on, but nobody took any steps to assist him with the situation that he was in. So it is believed that it could have been perpetrated as a result of he being depressed, having lost his job, or being laid off from his job.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.